Back again to hear another story of immense fortune and unthinkable peril? Well, I have some time. The borderlands of Pandora were told to contain mysterious alien treasure troves filled with advanced technology and incredible power. Vaults, the people called them. And to seek one out was to earn you the title of Vault Hunter. At least by me. You could say Handsome Jack was one such explorer, though his methods could be seen as somewhat unsporting. He ran the corporation Hyperion and died trying to claim Pandora as his own. History's attention is fickle, my friends. It will remember those pirates like Handsome Jack, but forget the adventurers who risk it all for less, obvious rewards. Stories, legends, those are much better at getting at the real spirit of things. Stories remember both sides of the tale.
Fiona! Come on, we can work this out! Fiona? What, is there some sort of radiation leak I don't know about? What is happening right now?
I ask the questions.
Okay, then do you mind asking yourself what you're doing? Oh! Ow! What the hell?
Tell me about the Gordis Project.
Is that what this is about? Look, Gordis is bad business. If you want a real hot investment, I am on the ground floor of some property on E. Okay.
Don't be a smartass. I'm not a patient person, so just start talking.
Just where do you start when you're getting dragged through the desert and,
From the beginning.
Right. I guess it all started with a promotion. See, I'd spent my entire career up in Hyperion, so I suppose that makes me one of the bad guys in this story. And Handsome Jack, he was the baddest guy of them all.
This long. It must feel good to
I wanted
finally
to be
grab it,
just
you know?
like him.
Take it. It's yours, right? I mean, you always said that.
Everyone did.
I gotta be honest, I always thought it was sort of cheesy, but hey, here
Which
we are.
resulted in a company overflowing with assholes.
Animals.
When Handsome Jack died, it somehow got even worse. It took some time to fit in. But a few stabs and select backs, a new haircut, and the help of a couple friends, I was on my way to get the promotion that was going to change my life. Scratch that. Our lives. For the better. I was a little distracted. It was a big day for us. Luckily, Vaughn was
Am I
concentrating on the
I know,
important
right?
things.
What's the first thing you're gonna buy? I know what Henderson's making. I do his payroll. If you're getting a fraction of what he earns, you'll be rolling in it.
I figure I could get lunch. Seems like a good place to start.
Well, then we're starting with 3 of whatever's most expensive.
Sure.
And wine pairings.
For lunch?
We're gonna get twisted, bro. If I'm not puking up $500 in food and alcohol this afternoon, then we are doing it wrong. We're meeting with a vet afterward to celebrate. She booked us a table.
Yep. Sounds good.
Look, we had to do a lot of awful stuff to get you to this point. Do I regret some of it? Sure I do. Every night it haunts my dreams, but that doesn't matter now. Because you made it. You deserve this, man. And don't ever think you don't.
Hey, we made it, okay? We're in this together. If I'm moving up, we're all moving up. You can be certain of that.
I appreciate that, Reese. You know, people around here have short memories when it comes to that stuff.
You, me, Yvette, we're gonna run this place.
Yes, we are. All right, man. Let's get that Hyperion face on.
Oh, right, yeah.
No, we need some condescending. It's a little too friendly right now. Okay, tell you what. Tilt your head back. Like if you ask me if there's anything up your nose.
How's that?
There you go. You don't respect me at all. Perfect.
Mr. Henderson?
Have a seat, Reese. I'll just be a second. No, I wasn't talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you now. Yeah, but I don't want it in red. I want it in black. Because black is better. Look, don't concern yourself with why, okay, Jerry? Concern yourself with how. And just send the car over when it's ready. Company car. Didn't even have to ask. You look surprised to see me, Reese, and if I'm reading the situation right, and I usually am, you're not too happy about it either. This all came together quick.
So where's Henderson?
He, stepped out. You're going to be reporting to me now, Reese. And I want you to know the promotion that you worked so hard to get, that's still coming to you.
Well, that's a relief.
But this is about more than that, Reese. It's about your future in this company. Look, you want to know the reason why I'm in that chair and you're not? For the exact same reason why North is North. Why the handsome guy always gets the girl, and why every spaceship in the universe is shaped like a cock. It's destiny, Reese. And men, real men like me, make their own. And you could hold a grudge if you like. No harm, no foul. Your thoughts are your own. But bad things can happen when you swim against fate. Sometimes men find themselves standing in the way of other men's destiny. You don't want to be that man. Wow. I could not have timed that better. That really helps dramatically make my point. Which is this. This promotion is going to take you out of the way of other people's destiny and put you on your own path. And that, my friend, is why I am promoting you to... Jerry, why isn't my new car Digistructing in my office yet?
Vasquez, it's August.
Oh, August. Yeah, cool, listen. I actually have somebody here with me, so...
Are you buying this vault key, or what? Because
How did this happen so quick? I thought I'd have more time. Of course I'm still interested. Yes, I'm near a computer. 10 million, yeah. It's just that's a lot of money to get together on short notice. I mean, I'm not trying to be obstinate, but I need time.
That should be me. Only less... Vasquez-y.
Yeah, no, but...
Ugh. Why do the biggest scumbags always have the best view?
Do you want the money or not? Because
3 years sucking up to the guy. Out the window.
It's not. No, it won't be a big deal for me to get... just got this promotion. No, nope.
Why are you trying to screw me on this?
Oh, fine. Just wait there, okay? I can only be down at... If it's gonna be $10 million, I'm gonna need another hour or two. Okay. Yeah, I'll be there in a bit. Well, then just stay there. It's a tourist shop, right? Buy a mug or something. Sure. Okay, say hi to your mom. Damn it! Right. What were we talking about? Before we were...
We were talking... we were talking about my promotion.
All right, your, promotion. Henderson was a fool. He didn't know his place. He needed lesson number 1. Humility. But you, I respect you, Reese. That's why I'm gonna make you assistant vice janitor.
What? No, you
I'm
can't.
the boss now, Reese. I do whatever I want. Report to Sewage Scout 23. Effective immediately.
You can't humiliate me. I quit.
Careful now, kid. The only way you quit Hyperion is the way Henderson did. You're dismissed, Reese. I'll let you know when I need my trash can emptied.
What the hell was that? He can't do this to us!
He just did.
No, this can't be happening.
I'm finished, Will. I'm finished. You know how this place is.
There's blood in the water, and everyone can smell it! No, they can't. Not yet.
Senior Vice Janitor Reese to Sector D451 for trash cleanup, because that is your job now, to clean up trash with your bare hands.
Sorry, you were saying something? I interrupted you.
Reese, why are you cleaning up trash? I thought you were getting a promotion.
Henderson's dead.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah. I mean, you can ask him yourself. He's floating outside in space!
It's that prick Vasquez. He threw Henderson out of an airlock and demoted Reese to trash man.
Holy crap. So, does that mean you're not buying? Well, just try and lighten the mood. And I didn't bring my wallet, so if someone pays for me...
I'll tell you who's gonna pay. Vasquez.
I don't know if he's the type
We
to...
can't let that prick get away with this. We need to do something.
He just killed a guy.
We steal his deal. We steal his deal.
Yes! That is what I'm talking about.
What are you talking about?
Vasquez set up a deal on Pandora for a vault key.
Whoa.
That must be why he got the promotion. The only thing Hyperion cares about more than money is vault keys. It's perfect! I mean, not only do we screw over Vasquez, we have a friggin' vault key. I mean, what are they worth? Like $1 billion?
More.
Yeah, but we need $10 million right now to make the deal.
Hold, please. Done.
I'm not gonna lie. That was impressive.
I'm in accounting. I mean, it's what I do. $10 million is chump change around here. By the time anyone notices, we'll have a vault key.
Cool. Well, looks like you boys got it all figured out. I'm gonna go eat. Alone? Call me if you don't get killed,
Whoa,
all right?
hey, we need your help. We need clearance, transportation. You're a requisitions master. We need that stuff.
Yeah, maybe a loader bot or two. Things get dicey.
Look, it's one thing stealing from a bunch of poor suckers on Pandora. You're talking about stealing from Hyperion.
But we're friends. Friends help each other steal stuff. I mean, that's how it works.
Richter used to steal candy bars. His family still doesn't know where the body is.
Come on, Yvette. We're in this together. One of us moves up, we all move up.
Yeah, and by that same logic, in some way, we all just got demoted to janitor. Do you really want that?
Vasquez really screwed us, didn't he? Fine. But I'm still hungry.
No problem. We only got a couple hours.
Go withdraw the cash. I'll get you guys clearance to Pandora, get you geared up, and issue you a standard Hyperion town car.
What? Standard? Really? You can't spring for premium? Seat warmers, maybe a convertible or something?
Sure, yeah, a convertible. So, just so I got this straight, you want me to get you a car to drive around Pandora that leaves you less protected, right?
Look, if you're gonna steal something, I figure...
No. No, don't worry. I've got a car in mind.
Holy freaking crap, what was that? What do we even... Oh, what do we even hit?
Why?
Oh, I hope that wasn't like a really ugly person.
Would you cross right there?
Oh, crap. I think we killed it. Are we murderers now? We're murderers. We're murderers. Great, we murder.
Relax, Vaughn. It's a skag. They breed like hostile rabbits down here.
Still, it's kind of sad.
Yeah. Kinda.
So, what do we say if someone asks where we got the money?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, what do we tell people? We should have a story. I would prefer not to tell them that we stole it from Hyperion. That would not go over well.
Let's just say Vasquez gave it to us to make the deal. It's easier that way.
Yeah. I guess I wanted a cooler plan, but I suppose that'll work.
So, this looks not good.
Got ourselves a clue here! What are you looking at?
It's Pandora. What did you expect?
Yeah, no, I know. I guess I'm just now more acutely aware that I have $10 million chained to me is all.
In a neighborhood, I might add, of back-planet nut jobs.
Just keep your eyes open for the place, okay? I don't want to be here any longer than we have to.
Yeah.
And, watch the money.
Oh, really?
Listen, one tap on the arm, and Yvette can send down a loader bot if things get too entertaining.
That's true.
And she gave me this. It is a stun baton. I do not know how it works, but it's definitely neat.
Yeah, stick. Neato. God, I can't wait to be in that chair.
You, me, Yvette. I mean, we bring this key back, and they're gonna make us the once and future kings of that place for sure. They'll send in a crew to use the key.
Yeah, we'll pop champagne and everything after we get back with the key.
Ah, come on, it's in the bag. The tracker's beeping, but I don't see the place.
It's the world of curiosities, right?
Yeah, do you see it?
No.
Could ask one of them. They seem normal-ish.
What an excellent idea.
I thought so myself.
I have a feeling he's somewhat inebriated. Oof, not a very handsome fellow, is he?
We don't have all day here, Reese.
Do you know where the world of curiosities is?
It should be around here.
You lost? What are you here for?
Why do you even care?
Because you're driving your ass wagon all through my town, kicking up earth, stirring up spider ants. And when the spider ants come, people get killed.
Sorry, we didn't...
You're Hyperion. You egg-suckers ruined this town, you know that? Atlas were bastards, but at least they had the good sense to fail.
Oh my God, who called in the wambulance, huh? Look, if you don't know where the world of curiosities is, stop wasting our time and just tell us, so we can move on to the next hole of garbage that you people call a suburb and see if their morons know any better.
You know, I thought today was gonna be boring. Hey, little man. What's in the case? Hey, kitty cat. Show us what's in the case.
Okay, now, look, before we get all bent...
Is there like a convention or something?
Oh. Bandits.
You know what we got here?
Reese, do the...
We got a couple Hyperion warmongers, gentlemen.
The bot! Yvette, prime it!
Already? Really?
Just... give me the menu.
Okay, but don't go bananas. These things ain't cheap.
And do you know what we do with warmongers? Do you know what we do? Should we tell them what we do with Hyperion workers?
Motorbot deployed.
Time to clock in. Yeehaw! Listen, boys. You're gonna hand over that case, or you're handing over your heads. Your choice.
Look, guys, let's talk about this.
Ooh, got quiet all of a sudden.
Hi.
Why isn't it doing anything?
Angry eyes detected. Awaiting instruction.
It only does what I tell it to!
Well, tell it to do something already!
Please stop shooting me. Engaging target.
See? Piece of cake. must really have to go.
That is not good. Come on!
Rocket!
I know!
Welcome to Oblivion.
Well, now I know why these cost so much.
Thank you kindly.
Wait! Loaderbot! Go get the car!
Stop, thieves!
Die now! I'm gonna cook you!
Huh. Interesting.
Yeah. All right. Come on! Easy, buddy. Vaughn, where are you? What did you do with
How
Vaughn?
the hell should I know? Your freaking bot tossed us both out. Now kindly stand still and die.
That's all I wanted to know. We could have avoided all of this.
Ow!
Get your ass gone! Okay. Loaderbot, put the car down.
Sure thing. Bandits imminent.
Please, do something!
Weapons subsystem requires your attention.
All right, we'll have to improvise.
Time to get funky. Circumstances analyzed. Engaging in disproportionate response mode.
This thing is amazing.
Fatality.
Shove this come on ass! How are we gonna get inside? Well, we could. Whoa! Yeah, that. Thanks, Loaderbot.
Wait, what? This is totally uncool. Why must the universe punish the good? Ow! No. Please. The metal is willing, but the spirit is weak.
Come on, Reese, just tell it to run.
Self-destruct option.
Ow! Parting is such sweet sorrow.